How to Oppo Reno 6 hard reset. I don't know the phone lock. Power off the device by pressing the power button. Press and hold the power button plus volume down button together. And release it as soon as the recovery interface appears. Wipe data. Format Dodo. Please enter verification code 5287. Format. Wipe data. Wiping, please wait. Do not perform any other operations. Wiped successfully. OK. Select language. Next. Select region. United States. Next. I have read and agree to the terms above. Next. Skip. More. More. Accept. Later. Later. Next. 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 Get started. The lock has been removed. Assalamu alaikum.